Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and are you sick of wasting good storage space in your vehicle? Then you have to check out this awesome set from PIMCAR. This set comes with a center console organizer as well as an armrest organizer. Now this specifically fits our 2024 Honda CR-V hybrid, and it fits it like a glove. I was so pleasantly surprised just how well each organizer fit in its exact location. What I love about the armrest tray is it gives me a complete additional level of storage. Previous to using this, the vehicle just comes with a really small tray, and then it's that dreaded, endless, just large space in the armrest. But when I utilize this tray, it has 3 different smaller compartments that I can store change or just any items I need to. I also love that this sits like inside of the armrest, and that tray that came with the vehicle, it can fit right on top. So again, it gives me a complete additional level of storage and function. I also really like the center console organizer. So that space is kind of just dead space without using an additional organizer, but this one adds 2 really nice little small trays right in the center console. I like that I can still utilize my phone and the charging station underneath it, and I can store chapsticks or cords or whatever I need to in the little tray. Installation for both items is so easy. Literally, you just slide it in and it stays there. It fits so perfectly with the vehicle. Each of these organizers is really durable. I like that the plastic is hard and sturdy and made of a really nice quality. I also like that each of them comes with the non-slip grip pads too. This organizer set from PIMCAR made our vehicle go from chaos to clean in just a matter of seconds. So if you're looking to organize your space a little better in your vehicle, I would definitely check these out. But that's just my point of view.